Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to put a GMC Terrain in neutral with a dead battery. This easy method will help you move your vehicle safely. First, you'll need to find the shift override button, usually located near the gear selector. Once you've found it, press and hold it down firmly. While holding the button, you can then shift the transmission into neutral. This is a crucial first step for towing or repositioning your vehicle. To access the shift override, you might need to remove a small plastic cap. This cap is typically located close to the gear shift lever. A small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool can help you gently pry it off without causing damage. Once the cap is removed, you should see the override button. It's often colored red or orange, making it easy to spot. Before shifting, always ensure your parking brake is engaged for safety, especially on an incline. With the override button still pressed down, firmly push the gear selector forward into the neutral position. You should feel a distinct click as it engages. Once in neutral, the vehicle can be freely moved. Remember to keep a firm grip on the shifter throughout this process. Now that your GMC Terrain is in neutral, you can safely push it or prepare it for towing. It's important to remember that this method is for moving the vehicle when the battery is dead. Be sure to address the underlying battery issue as soon as possible. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific instructions or additional safety precautions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.